Hi everyone, it's me again, Clem from clemtravlog. In this episode, I am doing an open box vlog. Actually, not really open box. I have been using this product for more than 3-4 months. So this would be more like a feedback vlog instead of open box vlog. So in this episode, I will be introducing you a product that I have been using lately and I love it. The Shokz Openmove. By the way, this is not a sponsor video. So I am a person that like to listen to music while driving, doing housework, while training, playing games, sleeping. But I really hate to wear earpiece while I'm riding. The main reason was my earpiece always dropped off from my ear and got tangled with my spinning spoke while I'm riding. Hiya, why don't you use a wireless one? Good idea. But like what I said, it always dropped off from my ear. So a wireless earpiece wouldn't help. I agree. Thus, I can only hear my playing music, but not the surrounding sound. So at the end, for safety reason, I stopped listening to music while I'm riding. Eventually, it is a lot safer, but for long distance ride, listen to music is actually very important for me, as I would easily get sleepy, bored, and it helps me to distract me from paying attention on a suffering, long, hard climb. So apparently, it was a year ago. This guy introduced me this type of wireless earpiece, the bone conduction earphone. Okay, this type of wireless headphone, Shokz Openmove, was specially designed for sport with safe listening and cost-effective price. When I say cost-effective price, guess what? It's only cost you 129 Aussie dollars in 99 bikes, office work, JB High Five. So this is how it comes when you first purchase it. So this is the headphone on the top. Under this layer, there's an accessory. They give you a bag for you to carry your headset, a USB-C cable, menu guides, and your serial number for the warranty card. So unlike other traditional headphone that covers your ears, one of the main designs of this headphone leaves your ear completely open for total awareness of surrounding for safety. This is the most important features for me, as I dislike having cars suddenly appear next to me without noticing them approaching me while I'm riding on road. Besides, it is important for me to hear cyclists behind me ringing their bell to inform me that they are overtaking, so I don't do stupid stuff by blocking them or even collide with them. Also, it provides me an easier way to chat with my cycling mate while riding. So, riding, chatting, and listen to music. 3 activities at the same time. Good leh! So let's talk about the sound quality. In my opinion, only one word. Ooh, I really like it. Or I shall say, I really love it. Powered by 7th generation bone conduction and premium pitch 2.0. It delivers precise and balanced audio, optimal volume, and rich bass. This is one of the best part of this headphone, as I am able to listen to techno or metal rock music to boost my cycling power without not being aware of the surrounding. Well, compared with the traditional headphone, it does look a bit bigger, but don't get fooled by the structure. With nothing inside my ear, it's only weight 29 gram. Yes, 29 gram. It is super light and comfortable that I don't even feel that I am wearing it. Of course, I don't even have to worry, as the titanium band ensures the snug and secure fit. Another great thing about this headphone is the battery lifetime. 6 hours of battery life on a single charge. I can listen to my music up to 6 hours. Who doesn't like it? And you just need 2 hours to get it fully charged. To recharge is very easy. Just plug in with the USB-C into this port. Good leh. So how to use it? Well, there's buttons on both sides. There are 2 buttons on the right side, which are the volume and the on-off button. So while turned on, these 2 buttons function as volume up and volume down. The big button on the left hand side is the play and stop button for one touch. Quickly clicking 2 times on this button will help you to jump to next song. So you can easily control your music volume, play song, stop song, or jump to the next song by pressing them while you're riding. Amazingly, it is able to use as a phone call device as well. So you can pick up a phone call while riding without stopping by pressing the left button with its dual noise cancelling mic technology. It provides a clear conversation while making a phone call during a ride, even though under windy condition. I really love this feature. You can use it while doing housework as its Bluetooth 5.1 technology has a reliability connectivity up to 10 meters. I even use it when I'm moving my lawn outside by connecting my phone left inside my house via Bluetooth. Amazing, right? So one last thing that people concerned about, is it water resistant? With the price tag of more than $100, you don't want to get damaged by water. It is definitely water resistant from sweat, rain, and even snow. Oh yeah! So in conclusion, this is a wonderful, reliable, budget headphones that are ideal for sport user which needs to be aware of their surrounding. I love cycling and I want to come home in one piece. If you're interested to know more about this product, I will put the product official website link in my description below. So one final thing, thank you for watching and I hope that you like it. I will see you on my next episode. Goodbye. Looks so good. I like it. I'm going to buy one now. Bye bye. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe my channel, and share it to everyone. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for me.